Going on, everybody? So I wanted to jump in a video real quick, kind of show you what I'm doing. Now this is for root domains, right? Or essentially more or less root domains. And I want to kind of cover this real quick. It's going to be a short video. Let's just say you're having issues with when you search a certain domain that you're using, whether it's and most of the time this happens when you don't have the redirect set up. So you search a domain. In short, sorry, I'm kind of losing track here because I was doing something, I stopped. Okay, my domain works when I put in www, but not the root domain. It's the overall consensus of the issue, right? Now, what you want to do is, and all you need to do is just set up a redirect, a permanent 301 redirect. Now, I'm in my HostGator account. You do the same thing in your domain registrar, whether it's GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost. Like, it doesn't matter where you have the domain registered or hosted. Okay, you would still set up a permanent 301 redirect. Okay, so in this case, I'm having my root domain forwarded to www because I set up my Clickfunnels domain as www, right, as the CNAME to target.clickfunnels.com. So what I'm doing is anytime that somebody pastes in or types in my root domain, it's going to automatically forward to my www, right? Now you could do this with any other domain. So like you have another domain and you just want it to redirect to, like, say if I added another domain and I just wanted a different domain, but I still want to promote the offer that's on this domain, I just set up a redirect, right? That's it. Now in HostGator they give you several different options, right? So only redirect with www, redirect with or without www, do not redirect www. Okay, so depending, it's all circumstantial, right? So only redirect with www, redirect with or without. So I'm going to do redirect with or without www. So either way, if they search without it or with it, it's just going to go to the same place, right? Um, I could set it to do not redirect www because I have already set up the www, right? Now it all depends on what it's like. Again, it's circumstantial to what you're trying to do, right? So don't base it solely off the way I'm doing it. Definitely customize it to what you need it to do. Okay. Now again, now this issue specifically is for the somebody inputs www, it works fine. But when they just search my root domain, nothing comes up. It goes to a 404 error page, whatever, right? So all the simple solution is just to set up the redirect and permanent. It's permanent 301 redirect. Okay. Now this is HostGator, and again, I want to recap what this video is about. It doesn't matter if it's GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, it's the same exact thing. Okay, permanent 301 redirect. The only difference between Cloudflare is there's a specific URL path. It's like a $ that they add, which I went over in the other video. Yeah, this is probably went on longer than it needed to be. Yeah, so this issue is my page isn't coming up when they search my root domain, or whichever your issue is specifically, when a page doesn't come up when you have your domain integrated to ClickFunnels via www or your root domain. So if you're having issues with www going to where it's not supposed to, check your records and then make sure your permanent 301 redirect is set up appropriately. So that's it. Have a great day. Bye.